Hi, I'm Pat DeMentri, and welcome to Host at Home for the holidays. This is one of my favorite times of the year. One of my favorite things is a pumpkin spice latte. We're going to start by using our Keurig, which I use several times a day. We're going to brew a really hot cup of coffee, black roast, any kind. It could be French roast or any kind of dark roast, because you'll be adding the sweetening to it. What we're going to do next to our 1 cup of coffee is we are going to add 1/3 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And to that, we'll add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I found sugar-free, saving us a few more calories, but regular maple syrup works too. And then to add the pumpkin pie feeling, the pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon. Blend everything together. Let me hold it so you can see it. You know I'm saving us these calories so we can have a bigger piece of pumpkin pie. And since you're company, we have to add some whipped topping. Tell me when. Oh, okay, maybe a little more. And then we're gonna add a little bit of ground cinnamon. A pumpkin pie spice latte. Ooh. From my home to yours, I'd like to wish you and yours a very happy holiday season. Stay safe, stay well. Love you. Really good.